Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Today we will show you how to export data with image, from Datagridview to Excel in vb.net. The path you see here, the image is being saved at this location. Here you see this is our folder, this is our location path. Now we will save some data with image. Now we are making the video on the project. If you want to watch that video, we are giving the link in the description of the video. Please go there and watch the video. Let me show you the folder in which our image is saved. Notice here, our image is saved with student ID. Now we will export the entire data in this Datagrid view to Excel. Since we will do the export on the desktop, let me show you that there is no Excel file on our desktop. Now we click on Export button. Here we choose the desktop location. Now click on Save button. Here you can see our exported Excel file. Check out the whole thing here. Then you will understand. If anyone needs this tutorial, then write us to comment section, then we will make a detailed video about it. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and share the video.